Here's problem 11. It says give one positive and one negative coterminal angle for 440. Coterminal. We have to know what coterminal means. It's like if I'm standing here and somebody says, turn to your left 180 degrees. Well, I'd be facing the board. What if they said, turn to your right 180 degrees? I'm still what? Facing the board. What if they said, hey, what if you would do basically 180 plus another 360? So here's 180 plus another 360. That turn itself, everything points me back in the same direction. 10 degrees and 370 are pointing at the same thing. If I start here, or imagine we start, let's look at a unit circle. Terrible circle, sorry about that. Let's start here at 0 degrees. If I go up 10 degrees, I'm right here. Well, what if I said go up 370? Well, there would be 360 and one more. I'd still be pointing right there, wouldn't I? That's what coterminal is. You're pointing at the exact same direction, and you're going to have the same value. Your radian is, well, the part from 0 is going to be the same. So give one positive and one negative coterminal angle for 440. And on this problem, I wanted it to be somewhere between 360 and negative 360. I didn't want, because again, there's an infinite number. You can just keep adding sets of 360. And we see that that's what we're going to do. Literally, if we're pointing at 440, wherever 440 is, which is about right there, because it's gone 360 and then another, 80 degrees. So it's right there. What we want is we want it to know another positive and a negative. Well, everything is in sets of 360. You're pointing back at the same thing. So I could go forward another 360 and add 360 to that, which would make what? 800. 800 degrees would be another answer. Would be an answer here for the positive. But I said let's keep it between negative 360 and positive 360. So instead of going forward 360, I'm going to go back 360 degrees. And as I just said a minute ago, that would be 80 degrees. So the positive for this, I would like you to list 80 degrees as the positive coterminal to it. As we also saw, you could have added 360 going the other direction, and you would have had 800 as another coterminal. But we're just going to leave it at 80 degrees here. Now I need a negative, so I've spun and gone negative. I've gone 80. I now need to spin back again 360. So if you're at 80 degrees like we are right here we're at 80 degrees. If I go back 360 again, well, what's going to happen? Well, actually I said back. I went the wrong direction. Back would be this direction, going negative 360. Well, if you're at 80 and you go back 360, that's going to put you at negative 280 degrees. So a negative coterminal for this would be negative 280. Notice these differ by 360 degrees, as they always will. Everything has to be in sets of 360, a multiple of 360. There you have problem number 11.